Guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make some crispy potato fry. This is how to make a perfect crispy potato fry. Go ahead by peeling your potato. Okay, after peeling it, give it a good cut it into your desired sizes. Okay, then after cutting it, go ahead and wash it. Yes, please, if you are living around, come and join me, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more beautiful recipes like this. Okay, then after that, wash it very thoroughly. After washing it, preheat your pot, add water and cook it. We're gonna cook it for 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, cook it until it's very soft. Yes, you can cook 6 to 7 minutes or 8 minutes. Make sure it's very soft before you bring it out. Then after that, bring it out and match it. Yeah, this is it after cooking. Then I go ahead and match it very well. Match it until it's well smooth. As I'm matching it, add some cornstarch on it. Cornstarch is very necessary in making this recipe. Okay, and massage it with your hand because you can see now it's very smooth. Yes, and after massaging it very well, give it a good mold. Okay, then go ahead and roll it. You can roll it in any surface of your choice. Okay, you can see me rolling it. Then after rolling it, we're gonna give it a cut it to the desired length you want. Okay, this is how to make it, and it's so crispy. It happened to be my children's favorite and my favorite too because this is so delicious. Okay, cut it and give it a size you like. Okay, give it your desire size. This is the perfect size. I love it. Okay, try it and tell me how it looks like. For me, it's the best way to enjoy potato because the outcome of it, the result was so perfect. Okay, then after cutting it, go ahead and preheat your oil. Okay, this is it. This is how it looks like after cutting. Then put your oil, preheat it. Okay, after preheating it, allow it to heat up. As soon as it's heated, add your potato. Okay, please don't use too much hot oil. The oil shouldn't be too hot. Okay, then go ahead and fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Fry it until it turns golden color. You can see me after putting it in your oil. Go ahead and flip it up. Make sure all are well fried. Yes, you can see the color changes to golden color. Bring it out. Repeat all like this. Okay, after just keep repeating all and until you finish frying. Okay, after frying it, bring it out, add sauce of your choice. I'm using pomfret sauce. You can also add salt if you like, it is optional. Okay, then after that, dish and enjoy and thank me later. Please like and share and follow me here. Hit the follow button for more beautiful recipes like this. Thank you so much and have a beautiful time. Bye.